Hey everybody, on tonight's video I'm going to show you how to change a tire on your Volkswagen Tiguan. So the first thing that you're going to notice is the lug nuts, right? You see how that thing looks in there? It looks kind of awkward and weird, and you've never seen anything like that before. Don't panic, that's not actually your lug nut, that's your lug nut cover cap. That's just a decorative plastic cap that gets removed, and then the lug nut is behind there. So we're going to remove those right now. First thing you want to do is set your emergency brake, your parking brake, which is the lever right here. Just pull up on that and it will light up, and then up here on the dash it'll show the P and the park for brake. And open up your back hatch and lift up your floorboard, and you'll see your spare tire down here. Pull this center part up and then unscrew that. You can't unscrew it with that little piece in the way. So we'll unscrew that, and we can lift our spare up and out now. And just lay that down for now. And then we're gonna get this little metal curly Q that's taped in here. They tape it in so it won't get lost, because these things get lost like all the time because nobody knows what the heck it is. So now with the tape out of there, we can pull this little metal curly Q out, and then also this little socket thing here is our locking lug nut key. We're going to need that for our locking lug nut, and then we have our jack right here, which is held in by this little belt loop thing, and undo that, and then we can pull the jack out. So now we take this little curly Q thing and we stick it into the middle of the decorative lug nut cover cap, and we hook it and we pull straight out, and you can see it just comes right out. And basically all you're doing is sticking this in there, hooking it, and pulling that cap off. I know it's kind of hard to see out here at night, but that's basically all you got to do is pull these caps off. Just be careful you don't scratch your wheel, because that little hook will grab the paint a little bit. So stick it in there, hook it, pull it out. Without this hook, it's really difficult to get this off. Flathead screwdrivers and Phillips head screwdrivers don't really work as well as this little metal hook. Alright, now that you have the cap off of the lug nuts, you can see the actual lug nuts now, and you see how that one on the top right is different than the other four. That is our locking lug nut, and we're going to need our locking lug nut key for that. So we'll take that, slide that in there, and just kind of turn it left and right until it locks into place. Kind of feel it lock in with your finger, and then we can start breaking our lug nuts loose. We'll just take our lug wrench here and stick it onto our lug nut, and then we're just going to push lefty loosey to loosen them up. We don't need to take them off, we just need to break them loose before we jack the vehicle up. And if they're on too tight and you can't get it by hand, you can always just take your foot and put it on there and push down, and that'll break it loose. Okay, so depending on where your flat is at, your jacking point is either in the front or the back. Our flat tire is here in the front, so we're gonna go to our front jacking point, which is under the what they call the rocker panel of the vehicle, the bottom part. And underneath here, you will find this little piece of pinch welded metal that has a little extra to it. That's where your jack's gonna land. And if you had a flat in the back, your jacking point would be the same, just here in the back. You can see that little piece of extra metal that hangs down right there. This part right here, that is your jacking point for the rear of the vehicle. Now you want to take your jack and open it up, kind of like that. This is the bottom of the jack, this is the top, and this is the outside facing out of the vehicle, so you can crank it up and just slide it in there once you get it kind of opened up. And the top part of the and the top part of the jack right here is going to land right on that. Now, what a lot of people will do wrong on these is they won't put the jack in the right spot. They'll put the jack upside down. They won't set the emergency brake, and they don't break the lug nuts loose before they start jacking it up. So those are all things people do wrong. You don't want to do those. Do it in order. Now that you got the jack in position, you'll take this little hook crank rod that's in the back with the jack. It's kind of flimsy and not very fun to use, but hook it. Oh, let me turn that. Hook it like that, and then you can start cranking it up. Just watch your knuckles so you don't scrape your knuckles across the ground, and then just crank her forever. So now we can crank the lug nuts loose. That locking one is always fun. Just crank it lefty-loosey until the lug nut stud comes out. Now this is where it gets a little tricky because there are no lug studs sticking out. So you're just going to rest the wheel right on that hub right there, that lip of that hub, and you're going to line up your holes in your wheel with the threaded holes. See how it has thread in there? The other ones are blank. So you want to set it up so it'll line up with that for your lug studs. Screw your lug studs in. Oh, thanks for the light, buddy. And then tighten. Now you got the wheel on, you can go ahead and start cranking the jack down, let the vehicle back down on the ground. Get the vehicle down on the ground on its own weight. Take your lug wrench and tighten the lug nuts one more time all the way around in a star pattern across from each other. If you can't put it on by hand strong enough, you can always take your foot and step on it, and that will put it on as tight as it needs to be. Just make sure you use the cross pattern when tightening it. well, there you go. That's how to change a tire on your Tiguan. I hope this video helped you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe, drop me a comment, and you'll see me on the next one. Bye.